Okay, so in this video, I wanted to talk about accountability and how important I believe it is to help you in your trading. Now, I started my FTMO challenge last week, and I've committed to doing weekly updates. First and foremost, to keep myself accountable, and secondly, to hopefully help somebody along the way. Whether it helps somebody or not, that's another story. But I wanted to hold myself accountable to sticking with a challenge, taking the trades, not taking stupid trades, make sure that I stick with my trade plan and all the rest of it, because it's so easy to, and I've seen it before, I've done it before, you get into a challenge, you're desperate to kind of win that challenge, get on to the next stage, get that kind of live account, if you like, so that you've got something to trade. And I think because of that, you take stupid trades, you do silly things, you don't trade when you should be doing, you don't take trades that you should have taken, and your accountability just completely goes out the window. So in this video, as I say, I wanted to talk a little bit about accountability and ways you can hold yourself accountable in your trading. Now, firstly, I think if you're not a member of some kind of coaching, whether like I said in one of my other videos, I've just taken some one-on-one coaching. Okay, so one-on-one coaching is going to hold you accountable. Group coaching is going to hold you accountable, but only where you've got some kind of accountability within that group. Okay, journaling your trades is going to help keep you accountable. There's several different ways, habit trackers and all that kind of stuff. There's several different things you can do to help keep yourself accountable, but ultimately, I believe that having somebody there, like an accountability partner, is what is going to serve you best. But those accountability partners or an accountability partner will only work if you hold each other accountable and there's consequences for that. Because otherwise it's like, oh, I didn't have time for that today. And you don't end up doing anything. Or I didn't have time this week. I've only taken one trade this week because I was out 3 nights with my friends or whatever. There needs to be consequences. If you want to take trading seriously and get results from it, you have to be accountable either to an accountability partner, but you certainly have to be accountable to yourself. So if you can't be accountable for yourself, you can't take this business seriously, and it is a business, then you're never going to succeed in trading. So I guess the message for this video is make sure that you become accountable for everything in your trading journey. Journaling, trading, time on the charts, all the rest of it. Just become accountable, whether that's doing it yourself or some kind of habit tracker or whatever, or whether that's getting hold of an accountability partner. Just make sure that being accountable is something that you take seriously. Okay, so anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. Hope you kind of got some kind of value out of it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to talking with you in another video real soon. Take care.